How to manage cellular data on your smartphone.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about managing cellular data on your smartphone. Turning cellular data on and off is essential if you're looking to conserve your mobile data or troubleshoot internet connection issues.
What is cellular data?
Cellular data is the internet that you get from your mobile service provider. It is used when you're not connected to Wi-Fi and you're browsing the internet, checking your email, or using an app that requires an internet connection.
How to turn on cellular data.
First, we'll discuss how to turn on cellular data. On an iPhone, 1. Go to your Settings app. 2. Scroll down and tap Cellular or Mobile Data, depending on your region. 3. Toggle the switch for cellular data or mobile data to on. It should turn green. On an Android phone, 1. Open your Settings app. 2. Tap on Connections or Network and Internet, depending on your device. 3. Then, tap on Data Usage or Mobile Networks, depending on your device. 4. Toggle the switch for mobile data to on.
How to turn off cellular data.
Turning off cellular data is just as easy. On an iPhone, 1. Navigate to your Settings app. 2. Scroll down and tap on Cellular or Mobile Data. 3. Toggle the switch for cellular data or mobile data to off. It should turn gray. On an Android phone, 1. Open your Settings app. 2. Tap on Connections or Network and Internet. 3. Then, tap on Data Usage or Mobile Networks. 4. Toggle the switch for mobile data to off. Remember, when you turn off cellular data, your phone will only connect to the internet over Wi-Fi. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to turn your cellular data on and off on both iPhone and Android devices. This is a handy tool for managing your data usage and troubleshooting internet issues. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.